Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're looking at a case from a company called XNTBX for your iPhone XR. As you guys can see, red and black is definitely on deck. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have a case from a company called XNTBX, and it's for your iPhone XR. As you guys can see, it's in red and black, so it definitely will match the iPhone XR in red and black perfectly, but it does come in several different colors. So if you guys want to pick this up, it is on Amazon.com for $15.99, and you can add an extra 30% if you just click that coupon code, but it does come in multiple other colors. So if you guys want to see exactly what the other colors are, the link will be down below. So let's get back into focus for this one right here. Alright, so we have this beautiful case in here. It looks like we have a typical box here. It looks very generic, but the case is all that matters. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. So the company actually sent this out to me. Big shout out to them. And when I saw the design of this one, I knew that I had to pick it up. Now, you see how it's glistening and shining on that camera there? It looks absolutely beautiful. Looks like that will be a little bit of a fingerprint magnet. Just clean that off a bit. But the whole design of it is just different. I love the fact that it does have the grips on the sides. They feel really, really nice too. This is some real grip on the inside. You do have the shock absorption pattern. Let's see if this pops off. So it is a plate that has a different color that just pops on there. But we do have a nice little design here. So the part that really matters about this is how it fits on the iPhone XR. So we got the iPhone XR right here. Let's put it side by side so you guys can see exactly how the reds match up. I think it matches up pretty well. So let's just pop this baby in. This is more for the rugged and protection, as you guys can see. So honestly, I am definitely digging it so far. Let's see if everything matches up. This is what it looks like in the case. You guys let me know what you guys think down in the comments. This looks pretty awesome. I'm definitely digging the look of it. It matches perfectly, and it does stand out exactly like the iPhone XR should. You do have a little arrow there of how to take this off, which is pretty convenient. Let's see how the buttons are. Volume up and down is definitely on point. Access to the medium toggle switch is pretty good as well. And the power button and screenshot button is all good too. Bottom looks pretty perfect. Let's see how the lip action is for the front. Very minimal. Let's see how the top and the bottom looks. Just about the same. The lip action for the camera is definitely on point there. But I do have a tempered glass on there, by the way, so it does actually lift up a bit more. So what do you guys think about this case? Do you guys think it's worth the money? Big shout out to them for actually sending this out to me and sponsoring this video. So you guys let me know what you think. I think it's pretty cool. Like that there. And I just love the fact that it looks different. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the iPhone XR and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.